So we start out today's video with this long to short transformation. She has got some gorgeous wavy hair here. She cuts that hair right off. The stylist further cuts the hair into a pixie. Ooh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the shape and texture that this has. Beautiful long bangs in the front, playing into that asymmetrical trend. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. Such a gorgeous makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone decide to switch things up with this copper colored hair shade. You guys already know this is one of my favorite hair color trends for the fall season. I just think it looks so beautiful. And then we move into another hair transformation from long to short. And she ends up getting a nice shoulder length bob haircut. Little bit of a tousled wave mixed in. Here we have someone else with a nice little bob. Bangs in the front to frame out the face. Somebody rocking some beautiful red hair. Oh, I love the pop of pink. That is so pretty. Nice little bob with bangs yet again. Oh, wow, I love this hair color. Beautiful reddish brown bob style with the tassel curls. Such a beautiful look. Alright you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out the rest of these hair transformations.